Welcome to topic 4, everybody, for EDCI 337. We're about halfway through our course already, so it seems like it's been moving quick in this summer session. We're finishing up some of the concepts that we've been looking at the last few weeks in multimedia design, and this week we're working on screencasting, similar to the one that I'm showing you right now. There is a lot to still cover within multimedia learning, and some of the key concepts we've discussed briefly are a little bit more in depth this week. Some great videos here, as well as some examples. A little bit more deep into dual coding, which we briefly touched upon too. Again, one of the pillars of this course, and something that you should be thinking about with your creations of your assignments 3 and 4, as well as in your blog posts, and hopefully within your practice creating multimedia content in the future. This is an interview from Dr. Mayer, the originator of these theories, and an insightful look into the way he understands things. Again, a good watch and a good place to go and return to potentially in the future when 337 is in the past, yet you're still doing things within multimedia learning. Outside of that, though, is a concept called flow theory, and again, we've got some short clips about that. Again, another element that you'll likely return to once you sort of get these as your fundamentals. They are really great at being part of your content that you create from here on out. And as I was saying also at the beginning, screencasting is our hands-on learning this week. Something that is more and more a part of learning, especially now with the pandemic, but not just because of that. It's also a great way to incorporate things like voiceover, music, and incorporate video and things like that with capturing your screen. You may run across them in places like gaming with Twitch, or lots of other things within YouTube, and even other platforms. And today, or whenever you do take up these, there's 2 different programs that I've run through. Screencastify is a great screencast option, but it does use the Chrome browser. So those people that do not want to use the Chrome browser, there is the option of Screencast-O-Matic. In that case, it's downloaded directly to your computer. There's also, for those of you that are using Apple, a way to do your screencasts placed in here. So whatever you choose to do your screencast is up to you. What you cast is also up to you. So potentially looking back to the PowerPoint or whatever presentation you did and doing a voiceover of that, that's a good thing that you've already started. And also potentially part of assignment 3, which is sort of remixing and reworking a previous assignment that you've already done for our class and adding in some of the elements that we've been discussing. So hopefully that finds everyone well. As I mentioned, we are moving quickly through the course, so your blogs are well underway. I've looked at many of them, and people are doing a very good job at integrating their learning, as well as working within their pod groups and commenting on each other as a great way of feedback. Assignment 3 and 4 are fast approaching, so it is a good time to definitely, if you have not already, met up with your partner for assignment 4 and sort of divided up what some of those roles may be. Okay? Have a good week.